Hello and welcome to brick tip number 45. Yesterday, if you watched the video on the Impossible Box, you know I came up with that because I was trying to design a house frame and I was thinking about different ways of doing that. So, here we are. I came out this morning, I applied what I learned yesterday with the Impossible Box and did what I set out to do, which was create the framework for a house with studs on all sides, and I used the hinges just like I did in the Impossible Box, 2 hinges on each side. The brackets for the top, as you can see there, are the same design as I did for the Impossible Box. This is basically a very big Impossible Box. Now, one thing I did different was the floor down here. You can see that I tried to go with bricks and plates, and it definitely succeeded in a manner of speaking, but it didn't work out perfectly. If you want to know why this is not working, you can go and watch the design video later. I'll explain all of this. So if you want to do one of your own, the basic premise is creating this framework from 1 by plates all around. In the middle, I use 2 by plates to add some more strength. I'll pop off one of these tops here so you can see very quickly what is underneath. So I went with 2 thickness for the plates. I did have 3 thickness, but I don't think it's necessary. By the time you get on the floor, it pulls everything together. The top fits tight here, but it fits absolutely perfect. When you start putting on the plates, you're going to notice that there's kind of a little bit of gap here and there, but once you connect everything up together, it locks in just amazingly well. I was actually surprised how well it locked in. So we have the top that works perfect, the bottom, yeah, not so much. I'm definitely going to be redesigning that. So far so good. If you want to learn more about how I constructed, definitely take a look at the design video because I will be breaking this all down as normal. I'm going to very quickly do a stress test here just so you can see how strong this structure is. I'm giving it a really good twist, and there is not much movement at all. And I can try to twist it the other way, but I know it's not going to. Pushing it on both corners and nothing. So this thing is incredibly solid. There's some give in the floor. That's just because there's a large expanse there to cover. But other than that, this thing is solid. Alright, if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons and share it around so that others can enjoy it. You can support us on Patreon if you wish to do that. Join in the conversation on Facebook and our other social feeds. Thanks so much. Have a fantastic day. Keep dreaming of bricks. Bye-bye.